Well, imagine if you were able to look through the eyes of your dog and see the world that way. Would be kind of different, wouldn't it? Well, we can't do that, but the next best thing in doing that is mounting a GoPro on your dog. So today we're going to be talking about a particular device that I have here, or not really device, kind of like a gear or harness that I have here, that where you can take and you mount a GoPro onto your dog and see what kind of cool looking footage that you can get. So that's today's video. Before we begin, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified for future videos. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So, hope you're all safe and enjoying that quarantine life at the time of this recording. We are quarantined in, but it gives me an opportunity to look at some of my gear that I have here and some of my tech gadgets and to make videos for you guys to maybe give you guys some inspiration on getting out there and recording and being creative. So right now I got like my drone here and I'm working on electric toothbrush here that I'm going to be doing a review on. But right now this review video is going to be on this thing right here. This is the Revo Woofer dog harness that you can take and mount a GoPro right on top of it and put it on your dog. It's got little straps here where you put it around its neck here, or maybe you hook it on here. I mean, there's ways to hook it on there, so that way you can get some really cool looking footage, especially like if you're a hunter or somebody that is an outdoorsy type of person who takes your dog out with you, to see what they see whenever they're out there hunting, or maybe through the woods or something like that, or maybe if you're just taking your dog out to a park to see what life would be like looking through their eyes. So this is how you could do that. Now the reason I picked this one here, this is the Revo, was because GoPro does have their own dog harness mount, which is a little bit higher than what I paid for this one. But the reason I picked this one out is because it has two mounts, so you can put it right on top. So picture your dog's head through this hole here. This goes around the belly portion of your dog. You can mount the GoPro here like so, and then see it on top of his head. So you'll see the back of his head, but it also has a mount here on the chest in case you wanted to get that first person view or first dog view in front of them. So it's got two different ways that you can mount your GoPro on, or two different locations. So that's why I went with this one here. It's really easy to put on here. There's little straps that kind of hook onto it just like that. And then right there's the chest portion. A leg would come through here. And then they got it to where you can adjust it to different size dogs. It is got kind of a spandexy feel here. So it stretches with your dog if you have a bigger dog or medium size, well, and kind of small. But yeah, it's very universal on this size of dog that you have and how you can put it on there. And as always, if you're interested in this harness here, I'll have a link in the description down below of where you can get this. Seeing is believing. So I'm going to give you guys some footage of what it looks like to mount this thing on a dog and see what kind of video you can capture and take with it. So right here, this is just a regular GoPro. We'll mount it on there and show you guys the really cool footage that you can take with this. So let's go ahead and put that in now.
Пошли.
All right, so that shows you what kind of footage that you're able to capture if you're mounting your GoPro on a harness like this on your dog. So I think it looks pretty cool. It gives you some interesting options of making some pretty cool looking videos. So if you like this video, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back on the next one. So until then, get out there whenever it's safe and the quarantine is over. Get out there and be creative.